So in this video we will learn that how we can customize our pivot table, how we can customize the default function, default settings and all this thing. Suppose in pivot table some default setting should be there for every configuration, or every options, the default configuration should be there. So for pivot table as well, the default configuration is there. So how we can customize it so that we can get the benefit out of it based on our requirement, how we can customize that option. Okay, so I will show you how we can do that. Suppose there is one pivot table, and now it has some basic configuration, it has some basic some default function is added here, but we can change it. We get the option is there, so we can change it. How we will do? We will go to file, then we will go to options, and here we will go inside data, and then we will go edit default layout. So default layout, like if I click here, so see it is A3, so it is A3. If I select this B3, then it is B3. So this is the layout input, that is okay. But other few things are there, like we can change. Suppose subtotals, so there is one drop down. Subtotal means how you want to get the subtotals. Do not show subtotals, show all subtotals at the bottom of the group, or show all subtotals at top of the group. So you have noticed, I think so, whenever the first time when I opened that pivot table, that time it was in the total, it was in the top. So then I changed it. Okay, so now the default configuration, what I can do it bottom of the group only. So I can select include filtered items in totals, so not really, I will keep it like this. So grand total again, so grand total, how I want to get it? I want to off for row and column, on for row and column, on for rows only, and on for columns only. So here I will not change anything, so you can change it and you can play with this, and you can see how you can get the result. Then you can again you can change it. Okay, so as of now I will not change it, I will keep it like this way, on for rows and columns by default. And then report layout, if you want to change, like compact form or outline form or the tabular form, so that is also available, so you can change it based on your requirement. Okay, then this thing, repeat all items level, again I will not check it, because it is not really necessary, but you can check it, and then you can test and how the report is coming. So now it is telling insert blank line after each item, so one blank row should be there. That is what the expectation. So do you need it? So as of now I don't need it, so I will not check it. And then suppose you have changed something, you can reset to Excel default. Otherwise you can, the whatever changes I have done, I can press OK. And there are further narrow down we can do. Now that pivot table options, again some options are there, like pivot layouts and formats are there, total and filters are there. I can customize it anything based on our requirement. So this I will not go details into it, even I don't browse all these things, and these things are not really required. So only the important things like subtotal and all those things. Anyway, so later on suppose you need something, so you can play with this tool and then you can customize it. Okay, and for printing purpose, these are the settings are there, and data, these are the things are there. So anyway, I will save it. Okay, and then I have changed this one, so I will press OK, and then OK. So now it is done. So based on that configuration I will get the report. So here nothing to change, I think it is already there. But anyway, so you can change it, you can customize it, and based on your requirement you can customize, and then you will get the result based on your requirement. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how you can change it, and how we can customize it based on your requirement. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.